Ready to apply for a mortgage? One thing you need to understand is when you're applying for a mortgage, your credit score will be hit. However, they do have a law that was set up a while ago during the housing market crash of 2008. And what happened was they changed the law to say that if somebody were to apply for multiple mortgages at the same time with different mortgage companies or different banks, that the credit companies will recognize, okay, this person is searching for a mortgage. That means that all of those applications are going to be lumped together and considered one mortgage request on the credit report. So now that means that if you are ready to apply for a mortgage, you don't have to pick one lender. You can try to interview at least 3. So as you're having that discussion with a friend who just bought a house, ask them if they liked their mortgage person and if everything worked out well, if they got a good interest rate, etc. You can also ask your real estate agent because they have experience with a lot of different mortgage professionals, sometimes even all over the nation, and they can provide some names for you. But this does have a time limit between 14 to 45 days. They do have a time frame for you to apply for these mortgages. So when they lump them together to say that it is one hit on your credit score, you need to know that they follow a FICO model. Typically, most lenders will use that FICO model. You will have 45 days from the first time you apply for a mortgage. You'll have that 45 days to apply and try different mortgage companies. When you apply for a mortgage, those lenders each have within 3 days by law to provide something called a loan estimate. Sometimes they refer to it as an LE. That will be provided to you and expand and describe all the information on an estimated cost of what it is when you buy that house for that amount. So for example, if they estimate that you can afford a $200,000 mortgage, they will list out how much typically it will cost for you to close on that house, the cost for down payment, the cost for lender fees, the cost for title companies, everything is going to be included on that loan estimate for you. My recommendation is when you apply for several different mortgages and you receive that loan estimate, you lay them all out and you compare them to see which is best for you. Your real estate agent can't advise you on which loan is best for you. You need to have that discussion with a mortgage professional and with your financial advisor as to what is going to be best for your financial situation.